Apex Instruments encourages you to use or perform any maintenance on this equipment safely. In this video, we may show an icon that conveys a safety hazard or risk that is associated with the operations performed. Be mindful of inherent hazards such as pinch points, sharp objects, or shock injuries.
Hey, I'm Joe Thompson with Apex Instruments Technical Service Group. I'm going to show you how to export your run data using the XD-502 console software. To export your data from the XD-502 software, ensure that your console is connected to the software. Once this is done, you can then click on the Storage tab in the upper portion of your screen. Select the tab that you want to export data from, and then you can export the run by clicking here. A new window will appear and you can type in any notes that you may have. Once you've done this, you can click on Export Data and you can save the Excel spreadsheet anywhere you want on your computer. If you don't need this information on your console anymore, you can overwrite this data slot by clicking the New Run tab. This will let you change your file name as well. If you choose to do this, you can click Yes after you've changed your file name. When you have exported and saved your run data to your preferred location, it will appear as an Excel spreadsheet. The information that was input on the Job Information tab will appear here at the top. Always remember to ensure that this information is correct and updated before exporting. Below this will be the notes that you can add right before the export of the run data. Further below, you'll see run averages and volume. This will appear here. Below that is all the data collected at each traverse point. This traverse point data gives you your run averages and your total volume. Below your traverse point data, you'll find the raw data. The raw data is supplemental data that is not averaged. This comes from such features as traverse point autosave, the starting and the stop of your timer, as well as any markers or notes that you input manually. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see the job notes. This is the notes that you can optionally input on the Job Information tab of your software. If you input any job notes and save, it will appear here at the very bottom. This concludes the tutorial on how to export your data. If you ever have any questions, just give us a call or send us an email. Thanks.